Hi, I'm Emily and I'm 10 years old. I want to tell you about my day. My mornings start with my alarm clock going beep, beep, beep at 7 o'clock. I'm not a big fan of that sound, but it's okay because I get to go to school and see my friends. First, I drag myself out of a bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and try not to splash water all over the place. Then I pick out my clothes for the day. After that, I go downstairs for breakfast. My mom usually makes something yummy. I like pancakes or cereal. I eat quickly because I always excited about the day ahead. My best friend Lily and I sit next to each other in class and we always share our creative ideas. School is fun. I have math, science, reading, and arts. My favorite subject is art because I love drawing and painting. At recess, we play tag and swing on the monkey bar. Sometimes we just sit and chat about our favorite TV shows. After school, I go home and do my homework. I don't mind it too much because it helps me learn new things. Dinner time is great because we all sit together and talk about our day. My dad tells funny stories and we all laugh. After dinner, I help clear the table and then it's time to get ready for bed. Before I go to sleep, I brush my teeth again, put on my pajamas, and read a bedtime story. I love getting lost in magical words before drifting off to sleep. My mom always says goodnight and tucks me in. Then I turn off my lights, close my eyes, and dream about all the fun things I'll do tomorrow.